ndanagerera wero-inĩ wa mathĩna maingĩ, ndanagerera wero-inĩ wa mĩrimũ, ndanagerera wero-inĩ wa gũcambio nĩ andũ, no Ngai nĩ mwega agĩũka akĩnduta kuo, ndanagerera. Definitely. That is a nice song by a young man called Sorokei. Muhurie iruhiro wega. Yeah, definitely. Umuthika kwina kimwathero au. It's a kesha. And I said very well, it is a kesha. Dine ke gitumi kia muke mwikirite nguo ihana ho. Nyina wa Jerry mbeca cia kugura kinyamu kiigana uguo uragurutire ku. Nguo iroke kiritite thi. And Gamini has a matching outfit with the wife. The wife is wearing a skin tight. What's this? What's this? I've never seen that. You cannot sing when I'm alive unless you take me out. The Diona, you don't have the power. I am the chairman. Yeah? Yeah? And the moment I marched in the vestry, Deuga donye hau, deka mugate na gasai, prepared by yours truly. Nyina wa Jerry. Yeah. The caregiver. The cupbearer. Of the chairman himself. Muhore irohero wega. Rugama makuone. Jaromi. Yeah, stand up. Yeah. Ucio niwe etagwo nyina wa Jerry. Yeah. Wafula. Huyu anaitwa nyina wa Njeri. Kwao ni Nyeri. Wale ambao wanafanyaga ile kitu ya kupiga wanaume. Lakini mimi nilimwambia siku ataniguza, atajua hapo mahali ameniguzia hapata mea nyasi. Ya, kamera ya Yeru, waikone ha kamera. Ya, hakuwezi kumea we Gamini go sit there, udio mwerethere uodera uga. Hati kamera nyeki ya girini. Yeah, definitely. So, I marched in the vestry. Kamugate karari haudira kaeka. Very quick. Doka na ikara haha gete geke jikaragira. Da kwera biko jitko. Come baby come. Come baby come. I have never seen that. Yeah, I could not fathom what was happening around my stomach. Every moment, new. Every moment, new. I have never seen it. It was not long. I discovered I was having stomach upsets. What are those? Stomach upsets. According to biology and home science. If you go home science, form 3, page 16. And according to biology, the alimentary canal, which starts from the mouth, there is something in here that is called the epiglottis, which blocks air, yeah, the air to go to the lungs, and the epiglottis blocks the food to get into the alimentary canal. In here, there is something that is called the stomach. Yeah, you can call me the doctor. Definitely. Once the food gets into the stomach, there is something that is called hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, which combines, the food starts the process of digestion. In there, villi, which absorbs the food. How ne holu haba ya form kido itawo plasma. Yeah. So it is taken to the heart, which becomes the blood is pumped from the lungs. Yeah, from the heart, yeah, through the vena cava, aorta, pulmonary vein, semi-permeable membrane, whatever it is. Yeah, yeah, that's how the upset is formed. Guthomithia. Ndioka haha gũtuĩka chairman na ngamũbundithagia because you are creatures, you never went to school. You refused. Ngamini ũna ũtindio kũrĩte maitho ũguo. The only person I can see understanding is mwarimũ. Akĩmemia at least no akinyire form 3. Morris, you are understanding. Na rĩu mwarimũ ndũngĩririkana onake. Tondũ aumire thukuru 20 years ago. Yeah, you retired. But you remember nothing. No, nediga we mwalimu mũthemba ũrĩkũ kana ciana cianyitaga. So I decided to march out of the church. Nyingĩre harĩa kĩoro. Ndathi ndaringaringa ũguo. Mũndũ ũrarĩ thĩiniĩ akanjĩra ingia. Ndarigwo atĩrĩrĩ. This must be a creature who is telling me to get in. Na akanjĩra rĩngĩ ingia. Kumbe nĩ kamwenji. Kamwenji was smoking bang inside the toilet. Yeah. Ndogo ĩrĩa ĩraningire hau. Nginya nda yakwa ĩracoka back to normal. Factory reset. Yeah. Na ndĩrarigwo mũno mũndũ gatathomete ibuku rĩandĩkĩtwo nĩ Mobutu Sese Seko. Riugaga wega, bang is not sweet when smoking alone. Yendaga andũ erĩ. Because that is called binomial. Bi means two. Binomial nomenclature. Yeah. No men creature. Because you are creatures, bi means two. Waegamini na kamweji manywe fagi. Those are two people. No ni kuga ndũngĩgucia wĩika. Men, athuri. Creatures. Yeah, definitely. Ladies and gentlemen, kĩoro kĩu nĩtũkũhinga na kuburi. Mũndũ nĩ ũkaga gwĩtĩca bia gĩthiĩ. Yeah. Koge investor angĩigua kĩoro kĩrĩa kĩthirie nĩkĩo kĩrahũthĩka ũguo angiuga atĩa. Yeah. Stupid creatures. Use your memory. I've never seen that. Choir, come and sing.